Whenever I ask my friends in the crypto community about the browser they prefer, more often than not, Brave is the answer I get. Why not? For a community that is so focused on privacy, Brave pretty much gives them that with its ad and tracker blockers. It also rewards its users with its own native basic attention token for viewing ads that are verified by Brave. But is Brave the only browser that pays crypto to its users? Is there no other player in this market? Well, I just discovered one. We all call it the Netbox browser. Netbox browser claims itself to be the first decentralized blockchain backed web browser. Hey, wait. Isn't Brave the first decentralized blockchain backed web browser? The short answer to that is no. Brave does not have integrated nodes. It also relies heavily on third party apps for KYC, thus making it semi centralized. Unlike Brave, that gives its users BAT token for viewing ads, Netbox gives its users NBX Token for the time you spend on browsing. As a part of the sign up bonus, Netbox is giving about 20 NBX tokens to its first 125,000 signups. You can get an additional 10 NBX token after a month if you join from my referral link given in the description below. The coin is currently trading at 2.5 cents and it had its all-time high at 10 cents. They also have a pretty decent following on Twitter and they managed to get John McAfee for one of their AMA session in DA Live. So hey, this is the Backpacking Monk back again for another video with Anon Hack Tech. Let's just get started. We start by clicking the link in the description. That will take us to the website. And then we download the installer. Once the installer is downloaded, we go ahead and install it. Once it's installed, the browser will open by default. Then we click Get Started. That will take us to the sign up page. At the sign up page, you enter your email ID, your password, and confirm your password. Make sure you have both the boxes checked and click on Create the account. After that, you will get a verification mail. So you go to your mailbox, click the Netbox mail, and confirm your email. So once that's done, you go back and sign in. You enter your email ID and password. Make sure you have the boxes checked and log in. Just as you sign in for the first time, you get a series of 24 words. So this will be a master password. In case you lose your password, this can be used to retrieve it. So make sure you copy this down somewhere safe. So once it's copied, click on confirm. So that will take us to the wallet interface. Then you click on session and show wallet. As you can see, it's showing 0 MBX for the moment. That is because it is not in sync with the blockchain. So this will take about 1 to 2 hours to be in sync. Once that is done, your wallet balance should show around 21 MBX. So there's a lot of things you can do in this wallet. You can stake your balance and get an interest on that. You can buy and exchange NBX. Also, you get bonuses by joining with someone else's referral link. You get 1 at the time of wallet creation, 3 after you've completed 1 week, and 6 after you completed 1 month. And it's the same when you refer to someone else. So both the referrer and the follower gets the same amount of tokens. So feel free to use my referral link in the description below to get some extra NBX token. While concluding this video, I would like to thank Ivik for letting us know about this Netbox browser and making it available for the rest of the community. Just like Ivik, you too can share links about your favorite crypto platforms and we'll try to make a video about it for you. Remember, we're always looking at your comments. That's all we have for today, guys. I hope you found this video informative and useful. Like always, make sure you subscribe to our channel. See you around until next time.